Hello friends, this is Ankush Agrawal. I welcome you to my course on how to study any academic topic in short time. You must be thinking, why is there a need to study an academic topic in short time? We have our whole academic year or a semester to study the topics. Then why do we need to study them in short time? But quite often, when exams are closer or when we are preparing for the exams, we feel the need that rather than spending a lot of time understanding each and every concept of the topics, we need to prepare the topics in short or in brief. So that time it becomes very imperative to understand what we have to include and what we have to exclude from our study. So in this case, we are going to see, or in this presentation, we are going to study how we have to study any academic topic in short time. First of all, we will see how exams and the academic world they rule the roost. Now, exams may be held as unit tests or they may be held as semester exams. The most dreaded ones are the university exams or the board exams, and also the selection tests for various jobs and jobs interviews. In all these cases, we need to understand that for preparing for these exams, there has to be a structured and a very well planned study. So obviously, these exams create a fear at the back of mind of everyone. Some people deny that they don't have any exam fear, but there is of course some kind of fear at the back of mind of everyone, and it is this fear that makes everyone work. So how we have to overcome these fears and how we have to prepare for any subject like algebra, geometry, basic numeracy, physics, chemistry, biology, history, geography, economics, any of our core academic subjects in short time. I'm going to take one topic from each subject and explain you in brief. Okay, so let's proceed to the next short video. Thank you.